Dear Dr. Bawumia and John Dramani Mahama, make us say, Wonyina akwako piemo wo hefofra ye no wo Gonja asase so wo damango wo savana mantam no emu na wo nyina ni age se wo hia sumdue ne nkabomu natumi aboa amakro no etumpon Adom TV etwaso
ebro manfo wo Gonja epa won hene foforo ehontoma ewo savana mantemu ena enkane mampanyini John Dramani Mahama ene mampanyina bediechi Dr. Bawumia nyina ekopiemu ewo ho dwumedi na se ena enkane mampanyini John Dramani Mahama editu dwase eba ne se ye ya na ni gye se wo ye Gonja ni isansa bribia no asomdwe ewo Gonja man no emu.
Conflicts, people get injured and people can even be killed before they are able to escape a new chief. It is not so in Gonjaland, and I'm proud of that. And that rotation and that system has set, and I wish to enjoin our chiefs and the custodians of our tradition that we must endeavor to ensure that this rotational system survives forever and ever.
Enwachi mampanyina bediechi Dr. Bawumia enso ekasaye no nso echire mu se asomdwe ya de wohia pa esenti se Gonjafo asomu a ogidi ye se beboa ama empuntuo no adoso.
When I was here on the 12th day ago, I made the point that I think someone should really do a PhD research if it has not been done already on the Gonja state and its succession and how it brings peace to the kingdom. I would like to assure the Yabawura that we have heard the plans and the vision that he had for the Ikon state and the Gonja state and the region. I want to assure him that the government will give him the utmost cooperation in fulfilling that vision for the development of the Ikon state.
Ne krakra na twetwefo edema benkurura saaka Mahama ya wo free bupe traditional area ejina ohinepon ya na mu ekasaye wodi tu dwase na na ye krado se bibibi ye woso ye emane manfo a edi mpuntu beba no obetimi aye no aye ni yi.
I will work to the full budget of the principal councillors of Gonja within our first 100 days in office. In this regard, I give notice to Kelipura, Ekuklasura, Biura, Sakaura, Anaura, and Johora of my intention to play a game with them in their respective special duties in the Palace.